콜라 한 병 하고 맥주 두 병 주세요.
Okay. Kinga?
콜라 한 병 하고 맥주 두 병 주세요.
Very good. Nelly?
콜라 한 병하고 맥주 두 병 주세요.
Okay. So here, 병. 병 is a bottle. 병 is a bottle. And also, it is a counting unit. Counting unit for bottle. So in English, when we say 1 cup of coffee or 2 bottles of beers, or like how can I say 3 loaves of bread. So in English also there is a counting unit, and in Korean we also have counting units, but the problem is we have a lot. We have a lot of counting units. For example, it's a pen, right? So do you guys in Bulgarian or in English or in Polish, do you guys have a counting unit or a pen?
It's just a pen.
Right? When you say just a 1 pen or 2 pens, right? 3 pens, right? But in Korean, we have a unit. And for example, let's say when you count flowers, you guys also like you said 1 rose or 2 roses or 3 sunflowers. There's no counting units in English, but in Korean we have a unit. So we have lots of counting units, and we are going to study the most common ones. Okay. So let me explain about how to use the counting units first. So we already know 병 is a counting unit. So let's say I want to say 1 bottle, right? So let me just explain. Let me write here. So 1 bottle. How do we say in Korean? Because
한 병.
yes, bottle is the counting unit here, so we use 병. And because we are counting, we are gonna use Korean 한국 숫자. So 하나 is 1 in Korean, right? So it must be 하나병, but unfortunately we are saying 한 병, not 하나병. Nelly, you're enjoying.
Because you say unfortunately.
Yes, it's the. Yeah.
But it's also, does it work for all the numbers? Because then it was du byung as well. So
yes.
we'll also lose the last letter.
Very good. So 2 bottles, then it must be
두.
but we don't say 불병, and we say 두병. And 3 bottles, and it's not 셋병. We don't say 셋병. We say 세병. So basically, we are deleting the last component, like the last vowel or the last consonant.
What about 8 then? Because they're 받침.
So let me explain. Okay, let me just write 4. So 4 bottles, and instead of saying 넷병, we say 네병. So yeah, like you just asked then what about like 8? So
yeah.
The answer is deleting the last component is until number 4. After that, we don't delete.
Okay.
So, for example, 5 bottles. So, 5 병. And we just keep it. We don't say 5병. Okay. We don't say 5병. It must be 5. Okay. So until 4, we delete the last component, but after 4, we just keep it. And of course, 6 bottles, then it should be,
6병.
yes, 6병. We don't change.